Well, I wanted to say that obviously I found this extremely amazing. It was inevitable. It has been um, an extraordinary experience, I would say. I mm, I talked to Manahil because my husband wanted to do NLP, and and everybody had been telling me that I was, as a student of literature and language, I should do this, right? And it's when you studied literature and language, you are familiar with the power of of words and how it can, you know, change your thinking and how it can, you know, make you grow and so on. So I would say definitely I've been in. At the practitioner level, Manahil did the timeline therapy of sadness for, for me. And that was because I developed a headache because instead of acting as the coach, I'd started acting as her client. I'd associated with Javeria's issues. So I ended up with a headache. And so she did a timeline therapy of sadness for me. And that time, after she finished, it was as if a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. What had been bogging me down for years, this is like I've been like 3 years of depression, and I pulled myself out of it because I didn't want to live that way. Depression because of multiple miscarriages, because of various issues. It was so I pulled myself out of it. That's when I met Manahil on my timeline. It's been an amazing journey. And right now, I think I've not only resolved personal issues, I've restored my positivity and ability to manage my emotions and thinking and found ways to help others do this. Yes. And it has not only been personally very powerful, it has been professionally, because all these therapies, they were relatable not only in terms of as a writer, as a teacher, and as a possible coach. I can see myself coaching others through these such issues, and it's empowered me for a role that I felt that I wanted to somehow help people. I'd written ebooks about self-help books as a ghostwriter, and I knew that self-help books can only get you as far as developing or giving you a, but they can give you an idea, but they cannot make you change or shift your ideology, right? And this is where I think NLP actually does a practical job in helping. And Manahil has been amazing as a trainer, as a teacher. I think it's amazing because uh, uh, the examples from personal experience that generally people have reservations about sharing, or they just give you a lot of theoretical material and they don't tell you how to practice it. So the practical element of making you go through the therapy, so that it's not something that's on the page and that you have to figure out on your own, that has been amazing. And the master's level in itself, it's given me a holistic picture of what NLP is all about. So I think that all levels, this has been the most rewarding for me. And hats off to Manahil and her team for whatever they've pulled off. And I think it's amazing.